Let's unbox Nitecore Blowerbaby. Just a disclaimer, Nitecore sent me this to review. Today, first we shall unbox this and find out more. Blowerbaby. Some instructions, I suppose. USB cable to charge this. I need to try this first. It turns out not only they send me Blowerbaby, but also this camera cleaning pen. Let's see what do we have here. Again, some instructions here like this. Marketing material, I suppose. And that's the camera cleaning pen. Interesting. Oh, there. That's the pen. Very cool. So I suppose this opens here. Ah, there you go. That's the pen. These are the attachments, I guess. This is the piece that would clean your lenses, I suppose. And this will go back like this. And then we'll attach one of these. Attaches to this guy here. Okay. There you go. So when you clean, you can use this brush to take care of those tiny particles, and this will still blow the air. That's cool. There are two types of brushes they have given. This is a rather softer brush. This feels like a brush, old-fashioned brush you would. Some of you might have used for, shaving. I don't know if anyone uses any brushes anymore for shaving. Alright, but this is that softer brush, and again this will blow this side here. Alright, I'll find some time and use this and report back and review this sometime. Thank you. Ciao.